Recent cyber-attacks and data breaches in 2023. The risk of data breaches and cyber-attacks has reached to an unprecedented peak, in an era dominated by technology. A series of significant data breaches has been witnessed in year 2023 that has mainly targeted prominent companies, compromising personal information belonging to millions of customers and employees. These incidents highlight the urgent need.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
For strong cybersecurity measures. The year 2023 witnessed a staggering surge in reported data breaches, surpassing previous records. More than 500 million individuals fell victim to these breaches, with their personal and sensitive information compromised. The average cost of a data breach in 2023 exceeded $4 million, taking into account the financial losses, legal consequences, and reputational damage incurred by organizations. These incidents underscore the critical importance of implementing robust cybersecurity measures. In this blog post, we delve into the recent cyber attacks and data breaches of 2023, analyzing their impact and extracting valuable lessons. Recent cyber attacks and data breaches in 2023 are a wake-up call for cybersecurity. These recent cyber attacks and data breaches of 2023 serve as a wake-up call for the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. By understanding the vulnerabilities exposed and the consequences faced by these organizations, we can strengthen our own cybersecurity practices and safeguard our digital presence. Yum Brands, KFC, Taco Bell, and Pizza Hut, employee data exposed. Yum Brands, the parent company of popular fast food chains, encountered a cyber attack in January 2023. Initially believed to affect only corporate data, it was later revealed that employees' personal information was also compromised. The company took immediate action by notifying affected employees and offering monitoring and protection services. T-Mobile, multiple breaches expose customer data. T-Mobile faced a significant data breach in January 2023, resulting in the unauthorized acquisition of personal information from over 37 million customers. The breach exposed sensitive details, including names, emails, birthdays, and more. Furthermore, recent cyber attack and data breach in 2023 that occurred in month of May, T-Mobile encountered another breach, compromising the PINs, full names, and phone numbers of over 800 customers. These incidents underscore the critical need for robust security measures to safeguard customer data and emphasize the ongoing challenges businesses face in protecting sensitive information. Chick-fil-A, mobile app breach. In the beginning of 2023, a well-known fast food chain named Chick-fil-A publicly revealed a data breach that affected users of its mobile app. Unauthorized access by a hacker resulted in the compromise of customer details, including membership numbers, names, emails, and addresses. In response to this incident, Chick-fil-A promptly strengthened their online security protocols, closely monitored for any additional breaches, and provided reimbursement to impacted accounts. This event highlights the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and the proactive approach taken by the company to protect its customers' information. ChatGPT, AI model security breach. March 2023 witnessed a data breach targeting ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI language model. The breach exposed certain user information, including names, email addresses, and partial credit card details. OpenAI, the parent company, responded promptly by notifying affected users and implementing additional security measures. Activision, employee data compromised. In February 2023, Activision, a prominent video game publisher, disclosed a data breach that occurred in December 2022. The breach targeted an HR employee through an SMS phishing attack, resulting in compromised employee data. Although the company addressed the breach promptly, concerns were raised regarding the delay in directly notifying affected employees. Google Fi, consequences of T-Mobile breach. Google Fi, a mobile virtual network operator, faced repercussions from the T-Mobile data breach earlier in 2023. As Google Fi relies on T-Mobile's network infrastructure, customer phone numbers were exposed, raising concerns about potential phishing attacks leveraging this information. MailChimp, social engineering attack. MailChimp, an email marketing platform, experienced a data breach in January 2023 caused by a social engineering attack. Unauthorized access to an internal customer support tool led to the breach. MailChimp took immediate action by suspending compromised accounts and implementing stronger platform security measures. Norton LifeLock stuffing attack affects customers. Norton LifeLock, a leading cybersecurity company, reported a data breach in January 2023. The breach involved a stuffing attack, where previously compromised passwords were used to access customer accounts. The company promptly notified affected customers, urging them to change passwords and enable two-factor authentication. United Airlines, customer payment data compromised. The September 2023 data breach at United Airlines highlighted the severe consequences of a security incident that led to the unauthorized access of customer payment information, including credit card details. This incident affected a substantial number of customers and emphasized the crucial requirement for robust security protocols when handling financial data within the airline sector. It served as a wake-up call, underscoring the potential risks posed by cyber attacks and reinforcing the significance of safeguarding sensitive customer information. LinkedIn, credential stuffing attack. In July 2023, LinkedIn encountered a credential stuffing attack, exposing user accounts to unauthorized access. This breach exposed personal information and raised concerns about user privacy and security. The incident highlighted the need for strong authentication practices and user education to prevent and mitigate the risks associated with credential stuffing attacks. From T-Mobile to LinkedIn, data breaches in 2023 exposed sensitive customer information, payment data, and employee details. These incidents highlight the pressing need for organizations to prioritize robust cybersecurity measures to protect against evolving cyber threats. Best practices to strengthen cybersecurity. In the face of these alarming data breaches, it is important to reflect on the lessons learned and implement best practices to strengthen our cybersecurity posture. Some key takeaways include: implementing multi-factor authentication to enhance login security, regularly updating and patching software and systems to address known vulnerabilities, conducting comprehensive employee training programs on cybersecurity awareness and best practices, establishing robust incident response plans to ensure swift and effective actions in the event of a breach, enhancing network monitoring and threat detection capabilities to identify and mitigate potential threats.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.